Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the pound drop 0.9% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Samsung expanded the availability of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in the Galaxy S22 series due to complaints surrounding the Exynos chip underperforming compared to Qualcomm's chip. However, according to a well-known leaker, Ice Universe, Samsung's top bosses still want users to equip the Galaxy S23 with the Exynos 2300 chip in select markets. Britain's budget deficit was bigger than expected in August, a reminder of the difficult financial backdrop for new Finance Minister Kwasi Kwarteng as he readies his first mini-budget fiscal update to Parliament. Nasdaq is making its first major push into crypto, as the second largest stock exchange prepares to capitalize on increasing appetite for digital currencies among big money investors.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's GfK consumer confidence will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 0645 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.